This is Tuffy, his first trail ride Saturday morning. I'm riding him out first, just so he's going to be ridden a few more times today, so I was going to see how he did across creeks and everything, and so far so good. He's still watching the dog, but he's learning to deal with her. There's the second trail ride. Tuffy's bringing up the rear.
Good job. You're looking at the dog. What you got there, a camera?
Tuffy's in that mess somewhere. There he is.